Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing a end of day clean with me, a relaxing, calming cleaning video to finish up our to-do list for the day. I was out and about on this day running errands, so I got behind on my daily chores. So I'm just trying to tackle my to-do list before bedtime. So let's do it together, guys. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and it is relaxing and calming like I'm hoping it will be. Let's get into it.
Cause I'm scared of feeling lost tonight. When I wake up, it's you that I think of, it's true. It's so obvious, but I'm holding back because you don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no. And I must confess that you don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you, but you don't. And I must confess that I wish I'd find someone new and forget about you. 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 There's only so much that we can save, like a storyline and a few cliches. When we break up, it's true that I'm making up this through. I don't wanna pass the buck, but we're in this place because you don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no. And I must confess that you don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you. You don't. And I must confess that I wish I'd find someone new. You're the sweetest love I ever had, and missing that is why I feel so sad. I've been holding on in case there was something we could fix, but it's over now. Yeah, it's all over now. Yeah. Touch you, never blush, baby, when I kiss you. You don't, and I must confess that I wish I'd find someone new and forget about you.
Stars in a magic field, we let it all out, we're well concealed. And every moment when I'm with you, it's a blessing, no more stressing. So if you want to, come and hold me. Yeah, I know you need some cure for all the pain. What can I do This story is love, love, love. Love, love, love. This story is love, love, love. Yeah, I know you need some cure for pain. It's the reason that I love you. It's the reason that I care. Why there is no one above you. Why no one else can take me there. It's the birth of a moment. Tremble and show something that keeps on growing, an everlasting glow. Some things come easy, some things slip out of your hand when you're down at the bottom. You need help to stand, no matter what reason. I'm searching to find when I'm lost among strangers. I've got only you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, on I am driving through the darkness. The wind is in my hair, hiding from the shadows. Try to act like I don't care. If you see me in the streetlight, you believe that my faith is gone. But there's a star for my lonely soul that will guide me home. Some things come easy, some things slip out of your hand when you're down at the bottom, and you need help to stand, no matter what reason. I'm searching to find when I'm lost among strangers. I've got only you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, on my I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know.
Is there anything better than a nice clean house at the end of the day? I hope you guys got all your chores done before bedtime and you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, bye.
You go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe